Hi guys, so I am on with another video entry for my 40th birthday and 1,000 subscriber challenge, and this is from Michelle. I removed her address. My address is my PO box, which is in my description bar if you want to take part in the challenge. It's literally send anything, and people have been sending all kinds of things. Some people have been sending a bunch of stuff, and some people have been sending the sweetest notes, and I'm just so grateful for it all. And this is from Michelle. Michelle is Bay Area Crafts, and she has a new YouTube channel that I love. She's definitely one of the people that I watch every single thing she posts. And look how pretty this came in the mail. I'm like so inspired. I'm like, oh, you can wrap gifts and like send them in the mail. I'm so excited now. Like the world is my oyster because I can just choose wrapping paper. It's really good wrapping paper though. But I'm gonna open this and I'll be right back. But I just wanted to show you guys. You guys, as if that beautiful outside packaging wasn't amazing, look at the inside packaging. She has like this gorgeous gold box. Okay. Oh, it's so shiny and happy. Oh my gosh, even the inside is like glittery. Oh my gosh. Okay, so inside we have, oh my gosh, look how she wrapped everything. Oh, you guys are the best. Literally, I just cannot. I can't. This box is like jam-packed full of things. Should I have just opened them one at a time? Is that what? Okay, let me do that. Let me open the card. This card is extremely thick. Oh my gosh. So she says, happy birthday, Lisa. I hope you have a wonderful birthday month. I tried following your wish list with holographics, pink and pretty. Enjoy the treats. Hugs, Michelle. And Michelle is Bay Area Crafts. So sweet. Guys, look at this. This is like a birthday card shadow box. Look. It's like a box. It's literally a box. Oh my gosh. And it says, enjoy your special day. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at how pretty this is. This is by a company called Punch Studio. Look how, this is so pretty. I have never seen a card like this. This is good inspiration too. Because it's like a 3D, you know, like dimensional. It's like a shadow box on the front. And then the inside of this is gold. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is that. So we will do this next. And she used the same pretty wrapping paper on the outside. This tape is serious. I need to get some of this tape. It's like packaging tape, but thin. I need to like look this up because I am certainly going to start wrapping my Happy Meal packages and send them in the mail. Yes, I am. Now that I'm like, oh, okay, that I can do. And like, you know, sometimes it's like, you know, you're like, you know, what should I do with this? Oh my gosh, guys, look. She bought me a holographic paper pad. What do we all love? Paper. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let me do a flip through. And this is from Michaels, and it's called Holographic Prints. It's like all things holographic. And I love, if you watch my channel for any amount of time, you may already know that I am obsessed with specialty paper. I love it so much. I just feel like it adds so, okay, I did not do a good job of opening this, guys, but that's okay. We're not gonna, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna tuck this under here, and we're just gonna pretend that this looks like a normal, that I didn't rip this thing by accident. But look how pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. I was at Dollar Tree and I saw some of those teacher borders, and I bought some because they look like this. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is such pretty paper. Look at the gold hollow. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. How come I have never bought this at Michael's before? This is gorgeous. Look at the stars. This is like perfect for Halloween. Oh my gosh. That is such a pretty gold too. You guys, this is so pretty. Oh, okay, so they do it in gold too. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much, Michelle. I love it. And I'm going to create all the crafty things with it. And then speaking of create, look. This says create. And she used this chunky, I think somebody else used this. I think this is ribbon from Michaels. They're like Lubin yarn or whatever their thing is called. And I think in my favorite things swap, someone used this. Why am I drawing a blank on who used this? I know, because she made a banner with it and it was so pretty. And I remember Alicia from Love Lender Generation loved it. So this says create, and she put a little sequin right there. So let's open this up and see what it is. See what it is. Okay, so in here we have, oh, it's wrapped again. It feels like a frame. Uh-oh. The tissue paper just opens up. Look at this, guys. She altered. I saw this on her Instagram. I would have never known it was coming to me. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I cannot even. Guys, and it's such inspiration. Michelle, have you ever seen more beautiful layering in your entire life? Oh my gosh. So this, first of all, is made out of some kind of faux leather. This gorgeous, like 3 layers of sequin flowers and then like one in the center. Did you make, like, how do you even, did she make this? Because how do you even get this many sequins layered? Look at this, guys. I don't even know where to start. I'm literally speechless. I have like, I don't even know what to say. Oh my gosh. So there is a crepe paper rosette at the bottom of this. I sincerely hope you cannot see me because I look a mess. Okay. And then there's a spider web, another layer of like this mesh, another crepe paper rosette, a scary word, some more stuff that I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is layering goals right here. This is adorable. Wow. I can't even. I mean, the holographic, the textures, like the flowers, these sequin flowers are my absolute favorite. Oh my gosh, this has to go somewhere where I can see it. This is remarkably amazing. And are these the stickers from the Dollar Tree last year? To be able to do this with Dollar Tree stickers, remarkably amazing. And look, it says too cute to spook. This is adorable. And this is definitely going up. I have like right in front of me, I have my desk. And this is going on there for Halloween. For sure, like no chance that it's not going up. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, Michelle. Thank you so much. And it's a frame, guys, so I can literally just like put it up. Like, look. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is so pretty. Wow. 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 And I'm in a pastel-Halloween. I need to leave this on my desk. all Halloween season, because I'm in a pastel-Halloween swap, and I need to think about this every time that I'm crafting for it. So pretty. And then look here, we have a shaker pouch. I love a pouch. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then we have these outfit stickers. I have never seen these. Wait, what year is this? Oh, that's why. They don't make good stuff like this anymore at Hobby Lobby. They don't make this amazingness anymore. These are hollow letters, foam letters. Amazing. Wow. It's so funny. I was just thinking today how I want some hollow foam letters, and I saw some letters at Dollar Tree, but of course none of them were like holographic, and I wanted them, and look how they just appeared in the mail. Amazing. Oh my gosh. I love. And then we have some bow decals. They're either like vinyl stickers or regular stickers, but let's look at them and look at this cute little bow thing here. Of course it twisted because, you know, the mail, they don't care about us. And then look at these bows. Adorable. Oh my gosh. Every variation of bows. I will love and use them all. They're so cute. Oops, I put them in backwards. They look so pretty in the other direction. I have to turn them around. Even though I like, you know, like dismantle and put my stuff away after this. But look how pretty. I never use my little seals, never. I need to and I don't. I never do. This is so pretty. It looks so good too. It makes it look so finished. Oh my gosh, guys. So look at this. We have a sequin. Wait, is this a pouch or a mix? Or is it both? Let's look. Having this little, oh my gosh, guys, look how cute this is. Putting a bow on this is such a good idea. Look. So it's like a pouch, but she sewed it closed. So you could like use the sequins if you're brave enough to cut it open, or you could just hoard them, which is probably what I'm going to do. This is so pretty. And then look at this. She took like a basic paper clip, but then added it and made it amazing. Look. So pretty. I am like so beyond inspired. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then like putting it with this is so cute because it's almost like the little spoon is like decoration. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love everything so much. And then this was in here. This is like a little, it looks like a little like crocheted embellishment. Let me look. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. I love that she uses her bags too, because I always use the clear ones, even though I have these. I'm so boring. Look how pretty this is. This is like an applique. So pretty, and this crochet heart. And look at the cherry. Oh my gosh, adorable. These are so pretty. So, so pretty. And then, haha. Oh, okay, so Michelle is getting me started on my fall. This bag is so pretty. Do you see how it looks like lace? So pretty. And then look at this. How cute is this? All these little bracelets that say give thanks. And you know what's nice about these bracelets is that, like, if you don't want to use it as a bracelet, like, you could always take it apart and like use the he/she beads, use the give thanks. Like, you could make this into a dangle, like, so much. You don't have to just like have it be a bracelet, although it's super cute as a bracelet, don't get me wrong, but you can like do all the things with it, and this is so nice. So now I feel like, okay, it's getting to be fall. And then we have this little bag here, which she made a little bag topper that says, I think it said, oh yeah, I'm like, it said, for some reason I read smile, but it's because I had it upside down. I read it upside down, and then I'm like, huh, you guys aren't looking at it like me. And look what she put on the bottom here. These are just like sequins that she put on a like a garment pin or something, and put it underneath here. Such a good idea. And then all of the chunky foam stickers. So pretty. I love her layering. Oh my goodness. Like, this is on top of this, which is on top of this, and then this, and then this. So nice. And then I love this bow paper. So pretty. I think this is the Ambivalent paper, which is, I love her just as much as I love Maggie Helms. I might love Bivalent a little more, actually, just because I've just been following her even before she made her paper collection. So, and look how she sewed this envelope. Like, she made this so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then looky here. Look how pretty this is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm like gonna take a lesson in her texture book, because look at all this thing right here I need, because this adds so much texture, and like it just adds so much like color and flavor to her stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And then this ruffle trim, which I need to learn how to make. So pretty. And then look at the little doggies and these flowers. I love these flowers. I'm using these flowers right now as we speak on a ice cream swap. So amazing. And then she has made the prettiest. First of all, look how this looks like she reused the packaging. This looks like it came like this. Like, how pretty is that? And look, it's garden party packaging. So sweet. I need to get some of this, because I garden party is like one of the collections I have the least of. Okay, look. So in here, look at this mix. It is beautiful. It has swans in it. It has pom-poms in it. It literally looks store-bought. Like, you know how the store-bought, it comes like in layers like that? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like add all of these same exact things to make so much more of this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Sorry guys, I'm just like sitting here like looking at all of it. This is beautiful, and this bag is like perfect for this. This is a nice bag too. It's kind of like a PVC bag. Look at these. So pretty. Michelle, thank you so very much. It's funny because I've been following Michelle on Instagram, but she's like a newer friend because she just came on YouTube, but she has like, you know, a bunch of followers on Instagram. She makes beautiful stuff. And she is the sweetest person. And it's funny because she wrote about the crafty community being so sweet, but it's honestly, the crafty community is sweet because it has people like Michelle in it. So Michelle, thank you so very much. And like, just thank you. And I'm so looking forward to our crafty adventures. I just joined your like Halloween neon swap, so I can't wait. She's just the sweetest. So make sure you go over to her channel, subscribe. You will not regret it. Like, she is, first of all, she's like a genius, as you can see by her crafting, but also she's just so sweet, and she has like the best taste, so she posts the best hauls. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you're not, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye.